Hello everybody, welcome back to our official YouTube channel, the Chakoti Android Tutorials. Kindly subscribe to our channel to get all videos notification at your fingertips. Watch video up to the end and do share with your friends. Let us begin with one more interesting video tutorial today.
We will learn about daily expenses to app. Today you will also know how to manage your finance, how to calculate on daily basis your income, your expense, how much you are able to spend on daily basis, monthly basis and weekly basis. Along with that you can even extract the certificate as well. Now, alternatively, you can buy the pro license. If you buy the pro license, you will be able to do much more better than this. Like you can export to PDF or export to Excel. Later on, you can view the reports from your system as well. Now, let us begin the actual tutorial today. Now I am opening daily expenses to from my device. Alternatively, you can install this app from Play Store. Hey Google, open
Swipe up
daily
to see your
expenses.
updates. Tap to skip action success icon. Open this app. Daily expenses to open daily expenses to.
Now I have
Unlabeled
opened the
button.
now
Unmute
I
button.
now I have opened this app by using OK Google. Now let me swipe from left to right to see the what are all the different options available under this app.
Daily expenses. Daily expenses now available for iOS.
This app is also available for iOS.
Unlabeled button. Image close banner button.
If you want to close this app, you can click here, image close banner. Now I am swiping from left to right.
Add income button.
Add income. Now we will explain in details about this option in few minutes.
Add expense button.
Add expense. You can add your expense. Now let me show you the what are all the list of options, and later on I will explain in details.
Movement list button.
Movement list.
Reports by date button.
Reports by dates. You can extract your reports by date as well.
Frequent records button.
Frequent records.
Settings button.
Settings.
May plus remainings.
May month remaining.
Income. 0.00.
0.00 income.
Previous balance.
Previous balance.
Minus 13,686.00.
Since I have added few list to this app, it is already displaying minus 13,000 something. Now let me swipe again.
Expense 0.0. Current balance minus 13,000. Calculated with INR. Unlabeled button. Image certificate button.
You can get the certificate as well through this app.
Unlabeled button. Imagester button. Unlabeled button. Image about button.
Right.
Unlabeled button. Image quit button. Get pro license button.
You can get the pro license by paying Rs 149 rupees.
Unlabeled button. Image button.
Yeah, these are all the different options are available under this app. Now let me show you all one by one in details.
Add reports by date button. Add income button. Unlabeled button. Image close banner button.
This option is to close this app. Now let me swipe from left to right.
Add income button.
Add income. Now under this you can add your income, how much you have gained. Now let us open this option and see, and there will be list of different categories where you can add the income. You have got the
Show
income.
number keyboard. Unlabeled button. Editing edit box. Edit amount edit box.
How much income you got? Example, let me type 400.
4 4 9 8 0 0 0 0.
Now I have typed the 400 as my income.
Unlabeled button. Image calculator button.
Calculator is there. Now let me swipe from left to right.
Category. Choose a category button.
Choose category. From which category you have got this income?
Description. Choose a category button.
Now let me select the categories, and also let us see what are all the different categories. There will be two, three categories or 2 to 3 options will be there under this.
Loan 1 of 3 in list 3 items.
Yeah,
Number keyboard hidden.
there are three options. One is loan,
Salary 2 of 3.
salary,
Sales 3 of 3.
sales.
Loan 1 of 3. Salary 2 of 3.
Yeah, as usual, as you all know, how we will get the income through our salaries, or if we avail the loan from the bank, or if you get
Salary 2 of 3. Sales 3 of 3.
sales, if you are working as sales, or if you have own business, at the time you can add your income. Nothing is there about income, means how much you will be able to get the income you can add. Example, if your salaries are as 40,000, you can add your income as 40,000, and later on you can update the expenses based on your expenditure. It will calculate and show you the remaining amount. Now let me come back by
Choose a category button. Description. Choose a category. Loan 1 of 3
okay,
in
let
list
me
3
select
items.
in this sales only.
Salary 2. Sales 3 of. Sales button.
Yeah, I have selected the sales and I have wrote the amount as Rs 400 rupees. Now let me swipe.
Description.
Description.
Edit box.
You can add
Edit
the
box.
description over here, how you got that amount. Since you have selected the category, you can enter the description. Example, okay, today I have spent Rs 2000, like that, not like that. Or you can add even like this. Okay, what is the description is all about document verification. Okay, through document verification I have submitted the documents and I got this loan, or I have availed from online and my salary has been credited today, like that. There are different situations you can think and add the description. Here description doesn't make more sense. If you want to add, you can add, or else you can directly
22/me/2020 button.
22 slash when date also you can select. As per the today's date it is showing 22. Alternatively, you can go visit this option to select the different dates.
12:32 p.m. button.
Time also you can add the time.
Income categories button. Save button.
Yeah, there is a save option. You can click on save button.
The data has been correctly saved.
You got the option and we got the notification as well. The data has been correctly saved. Now let me go back.
Daily expenses. Daily expenses. Unlabeled. Add income button. Add expense button.
Let me show you all what is the difference we are able to see after updating the Rs 400 rupees as my income. Now I am swiping.
Movement list button. Reports by frequent record. Settings. Me plus remainings. Income. 400.00. Previous balance. Minus 13,686.00. Previous balance. 400.00.
400 rupees is remaining, it is showing, right? You can add as much as you can your income. Now let us see how to add the next option.
Income. Me plus remainings. Settings. Frequent record. Reports by date button. Movement list button. Add expense button.
Yeah, let us see how to add the expenses. If you are spending something, example, to transport, alternatively on daily basis we will spend for hotel or bakery or food. There will be different situations you can spend your amount. As you all know, let us see what are all the different things, and let us also see how to add this. I am clicking on
Show
this
number keyboard.
option by pressing double tap. Now let me see what is the options.
Expense. Editing edit box. Edit amount edit box.
Amount, how much I have sent. Let me add 30 rupees.
3, 9, 8, 0, 0.
I have added 30. Now let me swipe from left to right.
Unlabeled button. Image calculator button.
Calculator is there. Let me swipe from left to right.
Category. Choose a category button.
Yeah, there are different categories. In income, only 3 options were there. Under this category, let us see how many options are there.
Clothing 1 of 16 in list 16 items.
There are
Number
16
keyboard hidden.
options under this category. Clothing, first is clothing. Let me swipe from left to right.
Drinks 2 of 16.
Drinks,
Education 3 of 16.
education. Drinks means if you are spending for juice or coffee, you can add it under this category name called drinks.
Education 3 of 16.
Education, if you are spending for your education purposes, alter example like if you are spending to buy a book, pen or geometry box, those kind of situation you can add here.
Food 4 of 16.
Food,
Fuel 5 of 16.
fuel,
Fun 6 of 16.
from
Health 7 of 16.
health,
Highway 8 of 16.
highway,
Hotel 9 of 16.
hotel,
Merchandise 10 of 16.
merchandise,
Other 11 of 16. Personal 12 of 16. Pets 13 of 16. Restaurant 14 of Tips 15 of 16. Transport 16 of 16. Tips 15. Transport 16 of 16.
yeah, there are 16 options are available. You can select any one of the option based on your expenditure. Now let me activate this option called transport.
Transport button.
Now let me swipe from left to right.
Description. Edit box. Edit detail edit box.
Now here I would like to type auto fare.
Edit detail edit box.
Just I will
Show
type
in English, US
type it as
keyboard.
auto.
Capital Q. L. Delete. Delete. Capital Q deleted. Capital A. Capital A. Y. U. 5. T. O.
I have wrote auto.
22/me/2020 button.
Now here you can select the date. Let us go and see what are all the different dates.
May 22, 2020.
May 22,
English, US,
2020.
Unlabeled button. Button left button. May 2000 unlabeled button. Button right button. Sun. Morn. Tube. Bed. Crew. Fry. Sat.
See, there are different dates you can select.
1. 2. 3. 4.
Today is 22. I will select for 21.
Note button. Yes, but 20. 21.
Okay, I am selecting 21.
May 21, 2020.
Yeah, May 21, 2020 is there. You can change the month, day and year as well. Now I will activate OK button.
Note but 20. Note 29. Note button. Yes button.
Okay, I am clicking on S button.
21/me/2020 button.
Now here this app will think as I have spent Rs 30 rupees on 21st of May for auto expenses. Now let me swipe from left to right.
12:37 p.m. button.
12:37, the time is 12:37. You can alternatively change the time as well by visiting this option. Now let me swipe from left to right.
Expense categories button.
Expense categories. Now let me swipe from left to right.
Save button.
Save. Now let me activate this button. Now I am clicking on this button.
The data has been correctly saved.
That
Edit box.
data
Edit
has
amount
been
edit box.
correctly saved. Since my data has been saved, what will happen? The focus will come back to same place, original place where we have wrote the amount. Now let me go back to main screen.
Press again. Unlabeled button. Daily expense. Minus 13,300. Current balance. 30.00. Expense. Minus 13,600. Previous balance. 400.00. Income. May plus remainings. Settings button. Frequent records. Reports by date button. Movement list button.
Here you will be able to see your movement list under this option. Let us see what is movement list all about.
Unlabeled. Movement list. Cash. Unlabeled button. Amateur wedge button. Unlabeled button. Unlabeled button. Amateur button. Unlabeled button. Amajankam button.
Income.
Unlabeled button. Amagi expense button. Alt button disabled. October button. 2009. October 19 to October 19,
Now
October 19, 2019, 09:27 a.m. Cash transfer 30.00. Paid auto fare to travel for exam 1 of 22.
see, in movement list you will be able to see the previous recordings, what and all you have spent. There you will be able to see, since I have added on October, it is already there. Let me swipe from left to right.
October 19, 2019, 11:11 a.m. Cash personal 50.00. Spent in temple 2 of 22.
Yeah, I went to temple on that date. Since I have updated there, it is displaying. Alternatively, we can update your expenditure on that date. Later you will be able to see by visiting the movement list. Now I will come back to main screen. The purpose of this categories or options is just to see your list. It's like a register book. Later on you can see how it will be useful. Example, think that today or two years back you have spent for something and you have forgot that. If you want to retrieve that later on, you will be able to go to that visit this option and extract the information. Or else alternatively, if you have given money to someone, you can add here. Later on, if you forgot that, later on it will help you to recover that amount from that person. Now let me swipe from left to right.
Unlabeled button. Amajia button. Daily expenses. Unlabeled minus 13,600. Previous balance 400. Income. May plus remaining. Settings button. Frequent records button. Reports by date button. Frequent reports by movement list button. Reports by date button.
Reports, you can generate the report based on the dates. Since we have already updated the dates while adding income or expense, based on that, here you can extract your report on date by date. It will help you to know your remaining amount as well. Right? Now let me swipe from left to right.
Frequent records button.
Frequent records. Frequent records, it will show you, means what are all the major categories you have used and often. It will show you the recordings, means amount or whatever the expenditure you have spent on your personal, or if you have spent 10 times to your personal, it will show you in frequently. Frequently means often and often. If you visit that option, it will be displayed under this option. Now let me swipe again.
Settings button.
Settings. Here under the setting there will be a different options to customize your app. Like you can customize how the amount you want, how the date you want, like the 24 hours format or 12 hours format, currency format how you want, INR format you want, or else different options are available. You will be able to customize the option by visiting the settings. Now let me swipe from left to right.
May plus remainings.
May month remainings. If you want to see the May month remainings, you will be able to see by visiting this option. Alternatively, in home screen it will display total how much you have spent and how much the remaining amount. These are all the different options we have seen, and you can use this app to manage your budgets and to know your monthly how much you are able to spend on your personal, on your different categories are there. You will be able to add. Alternatively, you can add the categories on your own, create the categories on your own if you buy a pro license. Thank you friends for watching this tutorial.